What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'll be back again with another video, and today I have a case from Poetic. They were kind enough to send me out this on my Google Pixel Fold. So today we have the Poetic Guardian, or your Google Pixel Fold. This is the black with the clear back. So pretty much this is what you get in the box. Your instructions with your stickers. I'm not going to use those because I change cases often. You do get a front screen protector case housing. It also has adhesive strip on the inside of there, and you get the back. And this one has a kickstand built into the hinge cover, and you can see I just took it out on accident, but that is built into the hinge protection, so that is good. And on the back here it is clear, so we're just gonna pop my Google Pixel Fold in like so and see what it's looking like. But do know, if you go for these Poetic cases, there is gonna be bulky. It's gonna be bulky, you know, it's gonna be bulky. So if you're a type of person that does not want your device to be bulky, you do not want to get these cases. But if you're someone that likes your phone to be super duper protected, you can go pick these cases up, because these cases do add some bulk to your Google Pixel Fold, as you can see. So pretty much you get the front of the display. It is good to go because it has a plastic screen protector on top, so if you drop it flat down on the table, you have nothing to worry about, I guarantee. At the bottom here, you do have all your ports for charging, and I'm going to show you that it does work. Some cases do not allow that, but it goes in just like that. With this case being on there, that's good to know. Like I said, you get all your cutouts. You're still able to use your fingerprint scanner and your power button, no problem. The volume up and down button are nice and clicky. On the back here, you do get a nice cutout, a deep cutout for your camera. So if you place it flat down on the table, you are good to go. On the back here, you do, like I said, it's clear, so you get to see that lovely G, and get to see the obsidian black on the Google Pixel Fold. That is nice. At the bottom here, it does say Poetic. Like I said, you get a protector for your hinge, and it also says Poetic. This has nice grip feeling to it, and I'm sure if you drop it on the hinge, you are good to go. Now let's open it up and see what we're talking about in the inside. So pretty much this is how the inside is looking. Not too much lip in the inside, but that's okay, because I wouldn't recommend you leave your fold open flat on the table. You would want to close it to lay it on the table. But you do get some nice protection, you know, on the inside. Get your feet. I call these feet, so if your device falls like this, you should be good to go. Overall, this does look nice. It looks nice and feels nice in the hand, but do know this will not lay flat because of the hinge protection. So now let's see what that kickstand is looking like. So let's see here. It will not lay. You cannot get it to go in this angle here. It just won't work. Let's see if you can turn it. But you can turn it over this way if you want to. It'll work this way if you want to watch. Well, I guess you wouldn't be watching a movie in this angle. You would really want it to be in this angle, but it's just not, the kickstand is not strong enough to be in this angle, unless I have this on here wrong, which I don't think I do. Now if you close your device up and want to use it. Let's see here. So you cannot, let's see here, hold on. I think I have this in here wrong. So let me just fix it. Yes, it comes out. I don't think it's supposed to come out, but it's sticky. It's something sticky on the back of here that goes inside of there. So now let's see. Okay, so now, mine has fell apart here. I don't know why. Now let's see here. Okay, but even though I changed it around, like I said, you still can't really watch videos in this angle because it's wobbly because of the hinge protection. So that's a bummer. But if you want to do something in this view, you can. You know, you can do something in this view if you want to. And as you can see, it just collapsed. This is not the strongest built. This is not the strongest built kickstand, but it is there if you want to use it. You know, maybe you can put this kickstand. Maybe you could take this kickstand out of here if you want to. Let's see here. Take it out. Since it has something sticky on the back, maybe you would be better off maybe putting it on the back of your device if that's something that, on the back of the case, if that's something that you want to do. I might need to put some more adhesive on my kickstand. But now if you put this, if you remove this from the hinge, put it on the back, boom, you'll be able to watch movies in that angle if you remove it. But you still won't be able to watch movies in this angle no matter where you have it. You're always going to be stuck with it in that angle. Not the strongest though, not the strongest kickstand, but it's there if you want it. But overall, this is still a nice case, so don't get me wrong. Just because the kickstand is not that strong doesn't mean I do not like this. I think I would rather have this kickstand on the back already, a kickstand already built in on the back, than rather it having it in the hinge, because as you can see, it keeps falling out and it's not sticking and it's not as strong as it should be. But overall, this is a nice case still. So I'll drop the link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. So I hope you like this video, and just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.